Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I did this look for you guys. This is my Kim K Met Gala inspired look. If you'd like to see how I got this look, please do continue watching. So I'm going to start out with my Fenty foundation. I'm just going to grab 2 pumps of that right on my hand. And I'm going to use my fingers to just dot it on. I like to dot it on first. And then blend it out with my beauty blender. I feel like the product gets sucked into the beauty blender. That's why I don't really like to, grab the sponge and kind of tap it in. It just depends on how I'm feeling that day, honestly. So now I'm going to grab my beauty blender and I'm just going to pack this in. This is actually not a beauty blender at all. This is the Real Technique sponge. No, it's not even that. I don't know what's wrong with me. This is the Eco Tools sponge. So I'm just dotting that on, make sure it is everywhere. A little bit on my eyes to just cancel out any darkness. I actually didn't even look up what product she used specifically. I'm almost positive though that she used her concealer, which is great because I have her concealer. So now we're gonna go into concealer. I'm just gonna grab a little bit right underneath my eyes, just like so, and highlight a little with it as well, just like that. I don't usually do my forehead, but let's just put across. It's kind of fitting. I'm gonna let that set for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go into my brows. I'm gonna use the Iris Beauty brow pencil just to shape out my brows. And elongate that just a little bit and bring it down in an arch. Of course, my face is not gonna look exactly like Kim's because obviously we're 2 different people, but you always want to do things, even though they are inspired by celebrities, do things that are gonna work well with your own face. I loved Kim's look. Kim's look is so simple, honestly. It's really nothing crazy. I think her lashes are what made it. And the fact that we're so used to her not wearing so much black and just kind of being a little bit more on like the bronzy natural side, that seeing her with so much black on her is just really like stood out. Now I'm going to set my face with some RCMA No Color Powder. I just added it into this little jar, but regular RCMA No Color Powder. And I'm just going to set that right underneath the eyes. So now for the actual eyes, Kim, when she posted a picture, I was so glad because I was like, what is on her eye though? She posted a picture and it was very plain, very matte, like a really nice kind of like orange soda, like these kind of colors, just very plain on the eyes and then just smoked out. So easy. I actually am just kind of like, really, Kim? But it looks so elegant on her, so I loved it. So I'm gonna grab orange soda and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. I'm gonna go into burnt orange. I think it was a little lighter in the front area, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some Tempera very lightly and apply that right into the inner corner and like almost in like the half of the lid, just like that. I don't usually use like light colors like this. I should though, they're actually very pretty. So I'm actually gonna go into a pencil brush and I'm gonna go into Noir and very lightly dust it out. I'm going to go ahead and smoke out the lash line very, very lightly. Like that. Now I'm gonna go into a liquid liner. And the liquid liner that I'm gonna use is the Iris Beauty Ultra Defining Eyeliner. And I'm just going to get that right onto the lash line, but closer to the lash line. So it actually looks a little bit darker and like it was smoked up. I'm gonna get it to that end, and on that end, before it dries really quickly, I'm just going to buff it and blend it out a little bit. Just like so. And now I'm gonna grab a blending brush and just kind of blend out that end. Circular motions. You want to go in circular motions. I think what really makes Kim's eyes stand out is that even though it is smoky, there is like a defining line on her eyes. So I'm just gonna do that again to this side. I do want to go in with a little bit of that black shadow though, right there, and smudge it under the eye. I'm gonna make sure you run it and smudge it. Now we're gonna go in with a very black pencil liner, and I'm just using this one from Urban Decay. And I'm gonna get that all over the waterline. And of course you're gonna tightline as well, so that means the top waterline as well. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up my face. I'm using the Refined Golden Bronzer from MAC. And I'm just gonna apply that. Blush. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Radiant Blush Kit. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of that one. I'm gonna grab my mirror, I'm gonna put it down below me, and I'm gonna look down into the mirror. This is how you apply lashes. You don't put your head down, but you put your head up and you look down, and you can see the entire top of your lashes, and you can see exactly where this lash band is gonna go. So you just drop it down. And this is gonna get it really, really close to the lash line as well. And you look up and it is perfect. With the pencil brush again, I'm just gonna go in and really take that black into the inner corner. Make the under eye look a little bit brighter. I'm gonna go into the Studio Fix powder, and this is in the shade C5. This just gives me a really nice bright under eye area, so it makes the black look a little bit darker too. So I'm just gonna take that and dust it right under there. So I'm actually gonna use the Fenty highlighter, and I'm gonna go into this eye that I hardly use, which is a very subtle highlighter. You don't see too much of a glow, but you still see it highlighted. So I'm just gonna grab that and lightly apply that right on here. So you guys can see like there's still a highlight and still like a glow, but it's a very nice natural glow. Alright, so the last thing is her lips, and I'm just gonna go in with a dark brown lip liner. It doesn't matter what it is, just something like warm brown. I don't know if it's gloss or lipstick, but it's just very subtle. I'm gonna go in with this one from Colourpop. This is called Netta. It has a lot of brown in it, and it's very pigmented. Perfect. So this is my finished Kim K look. I think you can do a little bit more of dramatic lashes. Her lashes that she used were Lily Miami lashes. So if you guys have those, definitely put it together with the look that I created. I don't have anything that looks very similar to that. And I kind of just thought of something. I might stack them with another pair that I have. So these ones are some iEnvy lashes. I'm actually gonna grab those and put it right on top of the ones that I have on right now. I've never stacked lashes before, you guys. This is brand new for me. Wow, that makes such a difference. I'm obsessed. I love this. I've never stacked lashes before, but this might be a thing. Anyways, you don't need to do this. Just grab the Lily Miami lashes and you will, with this whole look, you can have Kim's entire look with her actual lashes. This is just me because I don't have it and I want to make it look as close as possible. But yes, I love it, you guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I look like Kim? What's her pose? How does she pose? I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my Instagram page at Reesiibabe and at ReesiMUA. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.